How to copy and paste Instagram reels and make money on Instagram. Let's get into it. And we have step 1, which is the research phase. So in this phase you're going to be deciding what niche and what Instagram theme page you are going to want to start. So I have this page here, money.generate, pulled up in the business niche, and this page here, survival nature tips, in the survival niche. And all these pages are doing is they are re-uploading other people's content and giving them credit. And as you can see here, this page is generating a decent amount of views, and what they are doing then in their description, in their bio, is promoting different products, affiliate products, and making money simply by copy and pasting other people's short videos from TikTok and Instagram itself. So what you're going to want to do is decide what niche you're going to want to go into, and then we will get into how you can actually go about copy and pasting these Instagram reels and make money on Instagram. For the next step, what you're going to want to do to copy and paste these reels is just click on a reel that you think will perform well. And as you can see here, they actually haven't credited this original creator. So what you're really going to want to do is actually credit the original creator. And if you can't find their just say credit unknown, please DM for credit or removal, something like that, but always try find the original creator. Now a lot of pages are doing this, so I haven't seen a page get taken down for copyright, anything like that. If you think about all these meme pages, they create content using other people's work and they never get taken down. So if you want to be safe, you can actually ask the person who is in the video, or you can just post it with credit and say please DM for credit or removal, something like that. So once you have a reel, all you're going to want to do is copy it and go to this website here, save-insta.com, paste it in here, and then go click view. And once that loads up, you will be able to download the Instagram reel to upload to your new theme page. And we're going to get into the next step, which is how to get views with your Instagram reels. So how are you actually going to get views for your Instagram reels that we are copy and pasting? Well, what you're going to want to do is look at the competition, look up about 5 to 10 competitor pages in your niche and see what they are posting, see what's performing well for them. And what you're going to want to do is even post them also with different hashtags. As you can see here, this got 95,000 views, survival water purification. That is highly shareable. You're going to want highly shareable content, controversial content, anything that people will want to like, save, comment and share with their friends. So you can kind of find that from the competition, and also on TikTok. If you search, let's say the survival niche, for example, hashtag survival, hashtag bushcraft, hashtag camping, you will find videos that are performing well. You can use them and credit the original creator. And as I said, a lot of pages are doing this and there seems to be no issues once you are crediting the original creator. So we're going to get into how you can actually make money by copy and pasting Instagram reels now. Now, how are you actually going to make money on Instagram by copy and pasting these reels? So one of the ways you can actually do this is by affiliate marketing. And we have this website here, clickbank.com. A lot of you probably heard of it, but they do have, for example, if you were going to do their survival niche, they have survival products on here. Or another way to make money on Instagram with your team pages is paid promotions. So once you start picking up a couple of thousand followers, you will be able to do paid promotions. People will reach out to you asking to promote their product. Now they actually have business type of offers on here. If we go to e-business and marketing, if you're going to do a business team page like this one here, money generate, what you would do is click business and go by Gravy, and as you can see here, there is a lot of offers here. Now you can also promote a course, for example an affiliate marketing course, make money course, or another way is to create your own product or sell a PLR product. Now if you enjoyed this video on how to copy and paste Instagram Reels and make money on Instagram, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.